Hey guys, this is Arif Mirza. Some of you know who I am, and most of you don't. Anyhow, I have an important message for you guys. During this lockdown, let's put some food on the table. I know there's a lot of you struggling out there just to put food on your table or put, petrol in your car. There are a few methods out there which you can do to earn some money. For example, social media pays you for being on social media. So YouTube pays you for people watching a video. Facebook does the same thing. They pay you when people watch a video. If your content is good, you can make money. However, 90% of the people out there will not be able to do so because each one of those platforms have a certain criteria that you have to meet. For example, Facebook, you need more than 10,000 followers and you need more than 30,000 minutes of watch time in order for you to be approved before you can get monetized. And you need to be putting out great content because you can have a lot of videos out there, and if people are not watching it, they're not spending enough time on it, you're not going to get paid. Same thing with YouTube, which is the most famous social network out there. That's where most of the people are spending their time. You still need at least, you need minimum 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 hours of watch time, which sounds like a lot, and it is. If you're an influencer, it's nothing. If you have a video that goes viral, it's absolutely nothing. But you will see that there are some people who have been on YouTube and Facebook for almost a decade, and they don't have a 1,000 subscribers. They don't have that much watch time where they can start earning money from those channels. Same with Instagram. You need to be famous, and in order for you to be famous, you need to be putting out a lot of content. However, you can get a lot of subscribers, you can get a lot of followers, but there's a thing called pay to play. You need to spend money on those social media networks. You need to spend money to get followers or to become famous really fast. That's why there are agencies out there that charge you a lot of money to get you followers and likes and comments and all that. Now, the goal here is not to spend money. Goal here is to earn money. You are already on social media. You're either using Instagram, you're using Facebook, you're using YouTube, whatever you're doing. Most of you obviously using WhatsApp Messenger to send funny videos around, or you're using TikTok, whatever. I don't care what it is that you're using. Let me show you how you can make money without spending money. Okay, it's not going to cost you anything. There are no sign-ups. There are no contracts. There's absolutely nothing. You know, when somebody sends you something funny and you share it, what do you get out of it? You get, sometimes you get satisfaction because you laughed. You want others to laugh, and there was something for it. Or if there was an important message in the video that you pushed it across to somebody and they got value for it. So you got some value. Here, same thing is, I'm going to try and give you some value in this video. A lot of people watching this video will be like, you know what, I don't care. I don't need to earn a little bit of money to put food on the table. I got a lot of money. Well, good for you. May Allah give you more. But there are a lot of people who are stuck, who are struggling right now. So this video is for them, or anybody that wants to earn some extra cash. What you can do in the meantime is, I don't know where you're watching this video right now. You could be watching it on WhatsApp through somebody sent you a link. You're watching it on Instagram. You're watching it on YouTube. You're watching it on my fan page on Facebook. Get in touch. My team will show you exactly what to do, how you can start earning without signing up, without spending any money. All you're doing is sharing the content that I'm going to tell you how to share it, when to share it, and how to share it, what time of the day to share it. It's that simple. All you need is internet connection. As long as you have internet connection, you're good to go. Let's say it doesn't matter where you are in the world, but let's say you're in the part of the world where you don't have internet at home. And there's a lot of people who don't have internet, but they still go to like an internet cafe, they'll go to a local library, or whatever means they can find, or they know somebody that has a phone with internet. You can share the revenue with them. Whatever it may be, get in touch. I will show you how to earn it. It's that simple. You don't have to spend a lot of time and money, but we will make it happen for you. All right? Click on the link, get in touch, and start earning right now. Go put food on that table. Don't be stressed, because when people are stressed out, they can't think straight. And you know, when you're not in the proper state of mind, you can't do things properly. So relax. There's a way out there. Get in touch, and I'll show you exactly what to do. All right, guys. See you soon.